This vlog is about the island, guys, and we're having a barbecue over here. Look at this. What is down there? Look, the island. Look, the building over there. There's one building. It's nice weather, guys. It's another one. Hot, 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 hot. Look at that island. It's nice, nice, nice. You can see bird is singing. A bird is singing. Oh my gosh. So relaxing this place, guys. So relaxing this place. You can see the ocean, the island. People do biking. People are sitting down. Look at that, guys. Bicyclette pathway. This is a bicyclette highway. Other way of pathway, bicyclette pathway. Let's walking. Pasyal ko kayo dito. Pasyal ko kayo dito. Nilinisan na konti. Dati dito madilim, madamo. Nasamok. Look at that, guys. So beautiful. Beautiful around water. There's a lot of bees. There's a lot of bees over here. Wow. Nice. Hi, a lot of bees, eh? Yeah, fly. Maybe about the flower. Yeah, they love the flower.
They don't bite.
Yeah, they don't bite. They just don't like this. Yeah. Yes, nice, beautiful. May nagso-surfing doon, no? Yeah, surfing. There's a houses there. I think it's a country house. Parang ano lang nila, kubo. Pero it's like a big one. Island kubo. Diba, guys? It's an island. It's island. See this? Nice one. Let's go down. May upuan po dito. Then nakatingin ka doon. Diba? Bird singing, guys. Bird is singing. Bird singing. Dito ang bicyclette pathway, guys. Ito ay nakakalayo ito hanggang doon sa ano. Kasi island po ito. Makakarating doon sa isang baryo. It takes 1 hour going to the highway by bicyclette. Yeah, you can do it. Let's go. Nandun kami, guys. So, may mausok. Nandiyan kami. Barbecue. Yan. They're getting some food. Gulay. They're getting some food. I think some salad. Ayan o. Kukuha sila ng salad. Meron mababa doon, guys. Let's go over there. Kukuha sila ng salad. Baka saluyot or ampalaya. Pang salad. Jogging, you can do jogging here, guys. The same thing, jogging and biking. Let's go here. Try natin pumunta dito. Sana walang ahas. Walang ahas. Dito tayo sa dasdas. May dasdas tayo. Bare, bare. May pato. Ayan. May duck. Wild duck guys. Ayan o. Wild duck. Hello. Come. Dito ka. Diraas guys oh. Wait. Galatete suso. Bisukol. Diba? Galatete bisukol suso. May tagbaniit dito yun niya. Oh, bato. Suso ladag. Oh. Diba guys? Hello! We're in the island. Hello, you can see. Oh! Hello! Hello! Papasyal tayo guys. Papasyal tayo. Sundan natin ito. Dati walang ganito guys. Let's go see. Sundan natin ito. Hindi naman tayo siguro maliligaw. Daming tumatayab. Daming tumatayab. Bari-bari. Sundan natin ito. Das-das. Pasyadura. Pasyadura. Daming tumatayab. Daming tumatayab. Oh. Hala, dato'y tayo kabakiranan. Dato'y tayo kabakiranan. Paano na ito yan? Ala, ala, ala. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Tweet, tweet, tweet. Sundan natin ito. Sundan natin ito. Adan sagit idda. Titang guys, adan sagit idda. Dagit idda guys ni, dagay ni. Dagit idda. Dagit idda. Batu, batu, batu. Hello, 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 batu. Ayan o, ang ganda ng agos. Maagos po. Maagos-agos. Blue sky. Bicyclette. Mahaba po yan guys. Mahaba itong road na ito for bicyclette. 1 hour, 2 hours I think you can reach the highway there. Malayo yan. Kaya ang daming nagbibisikleta. Ayan po, nasa taas na po ako. May ano doon, may naka 2 piece, 1 piece. Siyempre. Yan. Diba guys, ang ganda oh. Wow, gusto ko yun. Gusto ko yun. Daming bird. Yan ako pumunta. Yan ako sumuksok. Ang daming ibon. Diba? Hindi naman tayo maliligaw kasi doon lang naman ng ano, puntahan. Oh, ayan po oh. Mga ano po mga yan. Long drive by bicyclette. Tignan nyo, ang dami. Diba guys? Thank you, thank you. Thank you for watching. Sana nag-enjoy kayo for watching. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I love you all. We're in the island right now. Thank you, thank you. Nandun po sila, aking family, relatives. Thank you so much. Bye-bye right now. Have a good blessed Sunday. Bye! Maingay guys. My family guys here. My relatives. Huwag maingay. Huwag maingay.